In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft OneNote on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so Microsoft has made it possible to have this OneNote app on your Android smartphone. To get this app, all you need to do is to go ahead and tap on Play Store or look for Play Store on your Android smartphone. And then using this search bar here, go ahead and search for your app. If you can't find it, you can also use this search icon here, and this will allow you just to search. So if you go ahead and search for OneNote and then search here, you can see we have here OneNote, and this is Microsoft OneNote, an app that you can use to save your notes. Now from here, to know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Microsoft Corporation, and at the time of recording this app has over 1 million reviews and a star rating of 4.7, and this app has over 500 million downloads at the time of recording this. The file size is approximately 88 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Microsoft OneNote on your Android smartphone and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here to launch it. Or now if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see OneNote here. You can proceed and tap on it to launch it and sign up for your account. Or if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. So that's how you can install Microsoft OneNote on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.